we're back together. We're searching for sunny angels. I have these ones. I've also been seeing a lot about Svishkis. They're cute too though. Like they look like little ghosts. You're taking me on a date, Desiree? You're gonna get a Miffy one. Miffy room. So, I don't know which one it could be. Ah, there's this one, but this one's not that cute. It's so cute. She got this for me when I was in America. When I was in America and she was in Korea, but she grabbed two more. She got the birthday version. I already have these, so I didn't buy them. But this is the one I've been looking forward to. I really want the green one. This one.
If you get the mint one, it's green.
Wait, which one do you have? The purple. She has the purple one.
I think
somewhere. This one's in her bag, and it's so cute.
I have a feeling you got the mystery one.
What is? Oh, there's a mystery one.
Yeah. I'm over here looking at you like. What color do you think you have?
I
think you have pink.
I know. I was just gonna say that. I think I got the pink one. This feels very pink to me.
Right.
Either pink or purple. That's what it's giving me.
I think it's pink or blue. Wait.
Oh wait. Oh.
I want to see.
Oh.
Don't look at me.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open.
Wait, let me get a peek. Oh.
Why?
Yeah, open it.
Why? Okay. I'm not gonna look. If you guys don't know, my favorite color is green. I will die in a green casket, okay?
That is so.
Look at it. It's so cute.
Sunny angel girl.
How cute is this?
Okay. The first one. I hope it's a cutie one.
Wait, which one? So, these are the options. Oh, this one doesn't show the options? Ah, okay.
It's a
What?
Yeah, baby. Okay.
Oh my god, I can't believe this is so...
That is so
sad.
funny. You said green. I want the green one.
Wow, now you're manifesting into real life.
Oh, I got scared. Is that her?
That one's so cute. Wait, what the heck? This is what we spend our adult money on.
Yes.
This. I'm so glad. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
Now that's like this. Berries and cream. Berries and cream.
Look Look at all her angels. She has these two, and then the hipper on her phone, and then the one on her bag. Me and my twin.